We just reaching up on what, 120?
Yeah, it's 115.
Shit, and then it's gonna be hot days, extra. Yeah, it's hot ass days.
We
Yeah,
get
'cause
this done. The only thing that's left is that side.
That's it?
That's it tomorrow.
Literally, that's it.
And he said he's got Lupe coming out tomorrow, so this is gonna get this is gonna
Check
go
out these
a lot.
socks right that I copped
See, with those two other guys when I was working with them,
from Wally's last night.
he's always in my way. When I'm trying
The
to
other
do
day.
something, or when they're helping
The
me do
big
something,
bird
I don't feel like
motherfucker.
it.
Yeah, because they
So
need
it's just,
instruction.
It took longer.
Check
took
it
more
out.
time.
So you need to go get you some of these
Yeah,
too.
because they need instruction, whatever you
But
know.
Straight
they're also
up.
getting in the way. I mean, it's just,
You feel me?
couldn't go fast.
So you can be fresh as fuck at work. I don't give a fuck, get dirty. Go get you some of these. They got them at the gas stations too. Every hood store or product store or convenience store near you. He always hate on my fucking socks. But you feel me? Go get you some of these shits
Yeah.
when you in the end.
You did.
Guys,
And they got
don't
the
buy
bottom
anything
too.
from him. He will rip you
Look,
off.
the bottom cold too.
This is a
Hit the whole
plastic bag,
sock.
and he
You did.
painted it like this. He sprayed it.
You
It's
did.
not socks.
If you want some and you don't know where to find them at, hit the Spotify that I got too. It's in the link and shit. And I'll sell you some and shit at a nice price, including shipping and handling. Cause I ain't paying for that shit if you want these socks. Straight up, that's just how I gotta be. What I tell you, motherfucker smoke cigarettes like a motherfucker. Cigarettes.
How many other accounts did you have out here mowing this in this